Hi, I'm Nate Hyatt, Service Manager at OneCharge. Today I'm going to discuss how opting for lithium-ion can mean more flexibility and battery capacity for your truck. This is how it works. If you had a 1000 amp hour lead-acid battery, then an 800 amp hour lithium-ion battery can do the same job. The lead-acid battery does not go below the last 20% and loses voltage dramatically with discharge. But a lithium-ion battery does not show any voltage drop until fully discharged. And if you opportunity charge your lithium-ion battery at regular 15-minute breaks and lunches, then only a 600 amp hour capacity battery can do the same job. That's a 40% reduction. So, what else should you consider? Apart from the lift truck make, model, and voltage, we can help you factor in the following when making a selection: the truck compartment size, lift height, and weight being handled, attachments in use, length of run, number of shifts, and length of brakes. We recommend higher capacity for batteries that will be used in cold conditions for the handling of heavy loads and higher lifts. OneCharge offers over 450 models of lithium-ion batteries for nearly every make and model of industrial truck. Whatever kind of work you are performing with your truck, OneCharge has a battery suited for your specific application with the capacity you need. OneCharge, your superpower.